Hello children, good morning. In the earlier class you have learnt about multiplication. I hope you understood the concept of multiplication, and also I have told you to learn the tables. I hope you have learnt it. And I also told you that in the next class let us learn about multiplication of two-digit numbers. So let us see. Find the product. So product is nothing but when you multiply two numbers, answer that you get is called as product. Okay. So what answer you will get now? 2 2s are 4. So that 4 is called as product. Okay. That answer is called as product. So now let us see how to multiply two-digit numbers with a single digit. Multiplication of two-digit numbers with single digit. Let us take example 34 into 2. 34 into 2. We'll write in this way 34 into 2 and a line here. Answer you will write this below this line. Okay. You will write here the answer. So how to multiply this? You have to multiply 2 with these two numbers. First, you will multiply 2 with the ones column. Number that is digit that is present in the ones column means first digit, that is 4. Here in this number first digit is 4. So 2 into 4. Okay. 2 into 4. So you know the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are what? 8. So 2 fours are 8. So write it here. Write it here. Next, multiply this 2 with second digit, that is 3. Okay. Always you will multiply ones first, then you will multiply the tens. Like how you will add the ones, then you will add the tens. First you will subtract the ones, then you will subtract the tens, isn't it? In that way, here also first you will multiply the ones, then you will multiply the tens, then you will multiply the hundreds, like that. Okay. Always you must go in this order. So 2 into 4 first. 2 fours are 8. So you will write here. Next, you have to multiply 2 with next digit, that is 3. So 2 threes are 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So 2 threes are 6. Where you have to write the 6? Before 8, means not after 8, before 8. So 8 is in the ones column. Okay, first digit. Before 8, at the back of 8 you have to write the second answer, that is 2 threes are 6. So write it here. So what is this number? 68. 68 is the answer. 34 into 2 is 68. 2 fours are 8. 2 threes are 6. Clear? So first answer you will write first. Second answer you will write before the first digit. So 68 is the answer. So in this way you have to multiply two-digit number with single digit. So let us take another example. 22 into 3. 22 into 3. So first 3 into first digit, that is 2. 3 twos are 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So write it here 6. Next, let us multiply 3 into second digit 2. 3 twos are again 3 twos are 6. Write it here 66. So this is the answer. Clear? Third one. 31 into 3. 31 into 3. So first you have to multiply 3 with these two digits 1 and 3. So first 3 into 1. 3 ones are 3. Write it here. Next 3 into second digit, that is 3. 3 into 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So 3 threes are 9. Write it here. So what is the answer? 93. Okay. 93. Next one. 40 into 2. 40 into 2. So first 2 into 0. 2 into 0. So when you multiply any number with 0, what will you get? You will get 0 only. Okay. 0 means nothing. So when you multiply 2 with nothing, what you will get? Nothing. 2 zeros are 0. Okay. 2 zeros are 0. So write it here. Next 2 into 4. Second digit 4. 2 4s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So write it here. So what is the answer? 80. Okay. What is the answer? 80. So 40 into 2 is 80. So in this way you have to multiply 2-digit number with the single digit. Fifth one. $32 into 3. 32 into 3. So 3. First 3 into 2. 3 2s are what? 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. So write it here 6. Next move to the second digit. 3 into 3. 3 3s are what? 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. So 3 into 3 is 9. 3 3s are 9. So what is the answer? 96. 96. Clear? So sixth one. 30 into 3. 30 into 3. First 3 into 0. 3 zeros are 0. Next 3 into 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. So 9 here. What is the answer? 90. Clear? So in this way you have to multiply 2-digit number with the single digit. Okay. So first you will multiply with the first digit, then you will multiply with the second digit. So this is how you have to multiply 2-digit numbers with the single digit. I hope you have understood. So write these sums in your classwork and I'll give you some other sums. Solve it on your own. Thank you.